Hey everybody, happy Monday. Where'd the weekend go? So, I mean, weekends just keep getting faster and faster, blowing by, and here we are Monday, doing another update. So we're switching gears. So we're at video number 11, and now we're getting into the actual renovation stage. Did a recap Friday on the loan process, how that kind of flows and everything, and now today. This afternoon, we will be doing a walkthrough with Integrity Restoration and going through, as you can see, the ladies of the house has been out, paint samples. We've got, I don't know how many flooring samples of different planks, different colors. They all, to me, they all kind of look the same. I mean, there's a light gray, dark gray, little purple in there. Countertops, the granite and all this good stuff. I don't know. Kind of all looks the same. But anyways, we'll do the walkthrough today. It's the kind of the, initial walkthrough to, step-by-step process of where they're going to start, from room to room, what we need to do. We went through the house this weekend, started getting stuff off the walls. Removing pictures, everything that we had hanging up. I'm going to be putting that in storage and letting these guys have some freedom coming into the house this week and tearing some stuff apart. So I guess it's fun, the fun stage of seeing everything. So what we'll be doing now that we've switched gears into the construction, we'll be going Monday, Friday, where the guys are at, on Mondays. And then what they're completing, they're continuing to work on Fridays, kind of show the process of how everything flows, ordering, some ideas of what we're looking at, transforming a few rooms, bathrooms, so on and so forth. So any question as always, still enjoying the, 9-degree weather here in Ohio, which is crazy. But that's it for today. Happy Monday. I hope you have a blessed week, and look forward to showing some stuff on Friday. If you need me, 513-594-9218, Shay Hensley at loandepot.com. Thank you.